Level 8 just did something you rarely see in the luggage world. They took design features from their best-selling lineup, mixed in a little bit of customer feedback, and reimagined not one, but two brand new carry-ons. And this isn't just one of those cosmetic updates. This is one of those redesigned cases, the Adventurer 20-inch carry-on by Level 8. While most brands are busy tweaking zippers or slapping on smoother wheels, Level 8 went all in, rethinking everything from how the bag moves to really how travelers pack. And that's really the key here with this bag. A few years ago, they flipped the script with the Voyager line by moving the trolley handle mechanism to the outer edges to make better use of the interior space.
Inside has a flat surface area and your rails are at the edges versus being in the middle.
Now they have built upon that and introduced features commonly seen in luggage from decades ago. That's the first thing I thought of when I saw the suitcase, you guys. Most bags open from the center here, right? And then it opens clamshell. Hold please. I have to put in the combination. This opens from the lid. Look at that. And the center, you can unzip this all the way around and it will expand, but we'll get into that in just a second. This line offers three sizes. This 20-inch carry-on, a 24-inch check-in, and a larger 28-inch check-in. Hey guys, if we haven't met, we're Aaron and Todd, and on this channel, we show you how to travel smarter and cheaper using credit card miles and points. If you're all about that free travel life, spam the comments with free travel and an airplane emoji, and let us know where you're from. And if you want to follow our journey and maybe find a travel hack for your own dream trip, then hit that subscribe button. Subscribing is free to you, and your support means the world to us. But back to the Creator 20-inch. So yeah, this lid is by far my favorite feature. You can open it with one hand, and all your stuff, it stays securely inside, and you don't have to flop open your bag. Think about it when you're in the hotel room and you have to flop your bag open. You might not have space to do all that. Here, you can just set your case down, open the lid, and then get to all your stuff. So this will expand on the 20-inch. If you expand it out, it'll give you 5 additional liters, 7 extra liters on the 24-inch, and 9 extra liters on the 28-inch. Oh yeah, that's a custom sticker, so that doesn't come on. So this just unzips all the way around. Oh no! There. Now you can see you've got that extra expansion space there. Where I can see that coming in handy is at the end of the trip when you never wore that sweater that you said you were going to wear, and then you've got t-shirts and souvenirs, and you have no more space left in your luggage because you didn't wear half the stuff you packed. Come on, let's be real. I'm looking at you. You know who I'm talking about. One of the design features that they brought over from, well, really all of their cases. Level 8 is known for their ultra quiet 360-degree spinner wheels. And these wheels, we've done a lot of research on this. And so you notice this is a dual wheel design, okay? These tend to hold up better than the single wheels. And on the, I don't know if you can see it, on the outer edge there, it's polycarbonate in the middle, but on the outer edge is rubber. So that helps it to be really quiet. And in testing, Level 8 took these 1.5-inch wheels, rotated them 276,000 times rotations. That's 20.5 miles. And at the end of that, there was only 2 millimeters, and I don't have a ruler, but 2 millimeters of wear after 20.5 miles. You can't do that with a plastic wheel. I think people sleep on the wheels when they're looking at luggage, but Level 8 has got this dialed in. And speaking of durability, we'll leave a link to the card up here where we took 2 Level 8 suitcases on a 25,000 mile trip. It was 14 flights, 8 countries, 5 continents, and nothing broke. These suitcases are tanks. They're not made of plastic like ABS plastic. It's a German-made Macrolon polycarbonate where it's 3 layers of material kind of sandwiched together. It's designed to flex. You remember those, what was that commercial, the Rubbermaid trash cans where the car backs into the trash can and it just kind of squishes and then pops back out? Level 8 luggage, you guys. When it flexes like that, it's not gonna crack like that cheap stuff you get from TJ Maxx. Inside, it's all about clean, organized packing, all lined with 100% recycled R-Peat polyester, because smart travel should also be sustainable. We've got to think about the environment here. You've got TSA locks out here on the side. You've got a grab handle on the top, a grab handle here on the side. There's no grab handle on the bottom, but let's face it, when you put it in the overhead, you're gonna put it in wheels first, and you're probably gonna put it up on the side like that. And when you do, you've got these little nubbies. See the little nubbies? You've got the little nubbies when you set this down or you put it in the overhead bin so that your bag doesn't get all scratched up. We obviously love this striking yellow and black design. Black and yellow, black and yellow. But you don't have to just take our word for it. Look at what people that have bought this are leaving in the reviews on Level 8's website. Snow K, top opening luggage feels more organized to me, even if it comes with an expandable zipper. That helps me pack more. 5 stars. Vi T, I'm absolutely loving the striking yellow and black color scheme of the suitcase. The wide trolley handle is a nice change from the ones I've used before and works really well. Expandable feature is a real plus, allowing me to pack extra clothes. 5 stars. We've got a trip in a couple of days. We're leaving for Colorado, and we're gonna take this with us. So we're gonna have a little bit more of a detailed, review once we get back. At the inside, you can see it's wide open. You've got some zippers on these, and then on the inside, there's a little zippered pocket right there. And then right here in the lid even is another padded zip pocket. So, I mean, this thing, you could put your dirty clothes up here, your clean clothes down here. You got room for a makeup bag. These straps, you can undo them. I think they're just snaps. I've never done this. Hold, please. Oh yeah, they're just snaps. So they just snap and then you can move them around. Okay, cool. And so full disclaimer, guys, Level 8 did send this Adventurer carry-on out for our honest review. And, putting our name behind a brand, that's not something that we take lightly. And with each piece of luggage that Level 8 has sent us, they have proven their worth to us. We have taken them literally around the world. And so we feel confident in promoting their brand and bringing their brand to you. And we love hearing the comments from you guys after watching one of our videos and then getting one and taking it on a trip and then leaving comments on our videos. We love to hear that feedback from our little community, whether it's good or bad. So if you want to check out the Adventurer 20-inch carry-on from Level 8, our affiliate link will be the first pinned comment. It'll be in the description down below. Be sure to use discount code Aaron and Todd 12 to save 12% on your purchase at checkout. But if you are watching this video in summer of 2025, specifically the month of July, from July 1st to July 20th, Level 8 is celebrating their anniversary. And so from the 1st to the 20th, they're doing 20% off site-wide if you use coupon code PREAS20. That is site-wide, July 1st to July 20th. And the rest of the year, if you're watching this sometime later, Aaron and Todd 12. Oh yeah, and while you're shopping for luggage and saving quite a bit of bank with the anniversary sale, don't forget to check out some compression cubes. They have compression cubes and they have packing cubes. They have a set of each. And these compression cubes, we love these things. It's not plastic, it's a fabric. We've had those cheap plastic ones from Amazon and they rip. These things are solid. So be sure to check out the compression cubes, check out the packing cubes. I know some of you are camp packing cubes and some of you aren't, but there is one more thing. When Level 8 set out to reimagine their carry-ons, they landed not only on this design that you've seen here, the Adventurer 20-inch carry-on, but another completely different version. This is the Creator 20-inch carry-on. This is the ticket for all you digital nomads out there. So if you want to check out our review and initial thoughts on this bag, watch this video next. Guys, we'll see you over there.